For the past few months, I have been bombarded with thousands of slime packages from you guys. Today, I'm going to be fixing more of them. This package was especially interesting to me because it says on the front, "We love you, Aaron, Anna, Max, and Christian." My only real question here is, who is Max? And number two, why did you send us hula skirts? But I'm very excited to try them out. But more importantly, there's a slime here. This slime is from Margot, and she said that she wanted this to be an ocean, Hawaii, tropical themed slime, which is funny because it's already basically the ocean. But she also mentioned that she wants this to be a cloud slime. I don't know if you could tell, but that is quite literally the opposite of a cloud slime. The first thing I need to do to fix this slime is attempt and see if I'm even capable. So the first thing I need to do with this slime is see if it's even capable of being turned into a cloud slime. In order to make a cloud slime, I need snow powder. For that, I have an entire bin full of snow powder. I don't think I've ever transformed a slime like this into a cloud slime before. This will be a very interesting new experience for me, and I don't even know how much exactly I need to add. As I'm adding this, the other things that I'm noticing about this slime are that it definitely needs activator. This is a severely underactivated slime. A common problem for slimes that we get sent. Don't worry, it's not unusual, you'll be fine. So it's starting to look like a cloud slime. Let's add a little bit of activator. Another huge problem I'm having with this slime, I hate to say it. The slime smells very bad. Maybe because it's been sitting in a box for a long time and I don't know what exactly this slime is made of. Maybe it's supposed to be scented this way, who knows? This is a beach themed slime. You sweat when you're on the beach. Maybe it's sweat scented. That's what I'm leaning towards probably, but whatever it is, Margot, don't you worry. It doesn't matter how gross your slime is. I will help you. So far, this is reacting very well to everything that I've added to it. That is a pretty good, slightly underactivated cloud slime, but we still need to do something about that smell. The scent that I have chosen for this slime is Sushi Shop. And no, it doesn't smell like fish. Why would you say that? It smells like flowers and good vibes. Definitely needs a generous amount of this. Oh my goodness. That smells so much better. I actually really like this slime. Thank you for sending it to us, Margot, but it still needs something. I think it's time for our very first Charmville trip of the day. Let's go. It feels good to be back in Charmville. I took a long hiatus. I haven't been here since yesterday. The first thing that I need is definitely a palm tree. This is a Hawaii ocean themed slime. These look very tropical foresty. I feel like it's so common for me to come over here and grab a bunch of ocean themed charms. Today is no different. I'm grabbing some large blue whales and some green fish. This is what we're gonna go with. Now that our slime smells great, feels great, looks great, time to add in all of our charms. I'm really excited about these charms too. I love a good tropical slime. Here's the ocean. Here is the leaf that lives in the ocean. Here is the other leaf that lives in the ocean. I'm just gonna carefully sprinkle some fish on here and a couple bubbles. Look at that! This is a legitimately adorable slime. Now that this absolutely beautiful slime is done, there's still one more thing that we need to do. I love going through all of the gifts that you guys have sent us, but we've never gotten clothing before, and I know somebody who really likes skirts. Anna really likes skirts. So does Dan. Thank you so much, Margot, for sending us your slime. I hope you loved how I fixed it. Let's move on to our next one, which is from
That's
Sarah.
addressed to me. Can I fix it?
Are you sure? Have you ever fixed a fan slime before?
No, but I'm down to try.
I'm trusting Anna with this one.
Yay!
See you later.
All right, you guys, I am so excited to fix a slime. I've never done this before. I always watch Aaron do it. So let's get into it. This is from Sarah. Ooh, she gave me some charms to add onto the slime. That's really cool. So she gave me some really cool ideas. One of them is a lavender bunny. So I'm gonna theme this slime that she sent as a bunny. All right, let's take a look at this slime. Ooh, that does not look and feel like a slime. That is more like a body scrub we need to fix this. I don't really know how Aaron fixes these slimes, but I'm just gonna add some glue to this container. I think that should be good. Ooh, it also smells kind of like cucumber. It has a good scent. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of activator. Sarah's slime is more like a lotion, so we're definitely gonna have to give it some life. I'm honestly just gonna use my finger because I don't have like a tool, so let's try to get this butter-like consistency to a slime. Okay, I think we have the consistency we need. And since this is a lavender vibe, I'm gonna add some purple dye, which I have right here. I cannot disappoint Aaron, so I need to get this right. Okay, Sarah, your slime is looking really cute. And now let's take a little trip to Charmville because I need to find the perfect bunny charm. We made it to Charmville. Let's find a really cute bunny. It has a little bow on it. This is good. This is our bunny. Also, because it's like a lavender bunny theme, I need some lavender leaves. All right, we got the little lavender leaves. Now let's go assemble our slime. All right, but before I add my charms, I kind of want to scent it like lavender because it is a lavender bunny slime. So I'm gonna add a little bit of that. It smells so good. I'm so excited for this part because Sarah gave us some charms. It's like a little friendship bracelet. Ooh, there's a star too. I think I'm gonna name this slime Friendship Bunny. Here is your slime, Sarah. I hope you like it. Oh. Erin, what do you think?
That sure is a slime that you've made. Smell it. Let me inspect this. Dude, this is really good.
It's cute, right?
This is one of the best fixed slimes I've ever seen.
You think so?
I've been fixing slimes since I was a tot. And never in my 60 years have I seen something so talented. We could really use your talent on the force.
Dude, I would love to join the force.
You gonna enlist to become a slime doctor?
I'm all in.
You know what? I hope you have what it takes, because this is just the beginning. We still have 2 more boxes. Let's see what we have next. Oh, I hurt my hands. This next slime is a high profile case. You're probably asking, Erin, why is this a high profile slime? You know why that is? Because of the intricate details that Abby has added to everything in here.
There is a secret note in here.
Dude, what does it say?
It's from the force.
From the force? Oh, the force, I made that, yeah.
Live, love, slime.
Wow.
That's so beautiful.
That's literally our motto.
You know us so well.
Before we get started on the slimes, we're gonna open up the little presents that she gave us. Oh my gosh, she sent us so much stuff. We're gonna open all these up and then it will be time for a present haul. This is all of the stuff that Abby sent us. Thank you so much for all of these presents. This is super perfect because Abby sent us 2 slimes, so we can each fix one. Let's see what we have going on. Yeah, this looks like a little cup of pudding.
I like the color in this one. It also feels really nice.
The texture is perfect.
What? Yeah, this is a really good texture.
Why did you send us a slime that you didn't need us to fix? No, it's okay. We appreciate any slime that you guys send us, but it is a little bit confusing when you send us a perfect slime.
Perfect
Look at that
slime.
stretch. Abby, I think you might already be a professional slime maker. And you clearly have a lot of creative talent because look at the package you sent us. One thing that these slimes are absolutely missing is charms. Because, Anna, this is your first time fixing a slime for the Slime Force, I went ahead and took the liberty of picking out your charms for you so you can kind of see how we run things around here.
All right. For this slime right here, I like that you chose an ice. It's giving kind of like a boba theme, lavender boba maybe. We're gonna place that right in the center. We have all the little grapes.
That's super cute.
There you go, your grape milk tea slime.
That is possibly the fastest we've ever fixed a slime before. Anna, you're just blowing this out of the water. For this mint ice cream slime, I picked out these mint colored chocolate chips. I also grabbed some little green hearts and I grabbed some leaves because I wanted it to look like mint leaves. And then of course, an ice cream cone. Look at these adorable slimes. Abby, thank you so much for sending in basically perfect, breezy,
they were
easy
already
slimes.
beautiful.
I hope you enjoy how we fixed our slimes, but the next one is going to be the real test of Anna's slime fixing abilities. This is our final and hardest slime
It
of the
says
video.
for Anna on it.
I'm sure that was an accident. I don't.
Honestly, Erin, out of the kindness of my heart, I'll let you fix it with me.
Wow, thanks, Anna. Harper says, Anna, you are my favorite Peachybbies worker, and I love how well you fix slimes. What? Anna's also my favorite Peachybbies worker, so I understand.
You're my favorite, Erin, don't worry.
I've never seen a slime bag quite so wet.
Erin, it feels really weird.
Ooh, that's crazy.
Okay.
Hey-o.
You know, this kind of looks like a pink sugar scrub.
It kind of looks like a blobfish in the best way.
It feels like a brain.
What the heck? I have never in my life seen a slime that looks like this before. Harper, this is honestly impressive. I think you created a new slime texture.
The smell is very interesting.
I'm honestly at a loss for words on how to fix this, but I have a feeling that maybe something in here will help us along our journey. Let's see. This says for Dan, Anna, Erin, Christian, and
Michael!
Michael! This is the first time in Peachybbies history that Michael has received fan mail.
Michael, this is your slime.
Okay, Anna, I'm leaving this up to you. What direction are you going with this slime texture to fix it?
Let's theme it after cotton candy. Okay, the color is almost there. Let's add a little bit more pink.
My concern is the texture.
That's true. It is kind of weird, but I kind of like it.
You want to leave it as is?
I think so. I've never seen a slime like this. Yeah, let's leave it like it is. Let's just dye it pink.
I'm down for that.
Let's add a little bit of this pink dye to it.
Oh, I'm having trouble mixing this together.
I think Michael needs to fix it.
Okay, get in there, Michael. Whoa.
Whoa, Michael.
What did you do to it?
Michael worked really hard. This looks great. Michael, I'm impressed.
Now I feel like this slime is literally perfect. Very strange texture still, but a good one. Now we need to go pick out our charms. And I think that Anna's ready to handle Charmville as part of the slime force.
I love Charmville. It's so sad we did not bring Michael. He's currently taking a bath.
He's a very dirty axolotl. So cotton candy is the theme of this slime, right?
Yes, cotton candy. So I'm thinking kind of like anything bright pink. This is giving cotton candy.
Usually we'd wait and bring them back to the table, but today, unconventional, out of the box.
We're doing it at Charmville.
Doing it in Charm.
For the second part, perhaps some like little sweet handy looking charms.
Check these out. What do you think of these guys?
I actually really like those. That's giving cotton candy a nice little
Oh yeah,
lollipop.
look at how cute that is.
That looks super cute.
That looks adorable on there. What else do you think it needs?
Maybe like a little heart, like a heart charm.
Right as she said that, we saw candy hearts.
That's perfect.
There's yellow for your apron and green for my shirt. That's slime! I feel like today we've made some of the cutest fixed slimes we've ever made at Peachybbies.
I know, I love working with you. I want to do this again.
You guys, comment down below if you would like to see us do this again together. If this video gets 3,000 comments.
It will.
3,000
Let's
comments.
get to 3,000 comments
We'll
and
do
I'll
it
join
again.
Erin again for another Fixing Slimes video.
Now let's go head back to our table.
Harper, here's your finished slime. Thank you so much for sending us this slime. It turned out super cute.
And thank you to everybody who sent us your slime today. Each of you are going to be receiving your own custom Peachybbies package. And if you guys would like to send us your very own Peachybbies slime for us to fix, make sure to send it to this address.
Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Bye.